Very good morning to all. Welcome to my channel Let's Study. Today my topic is lithosphere. So let's start. What is lithosphere? The lithosphere is the solid portion of the outer part of the surface. This includes the brittle upper version of the mantle and the crust, uppermost layer of the earth. The lithosphere is far less than ductile than the atmosphere. So there are 7 continents of the world. They are also part of the land masses of the lithosphere. Lithosphere are the large land masses. It is the solid portion of the earth's surface. It includes all the rocky surface, which include mainly various type and rocks present on it. Lithosphere includes all layer of soils which are very suitable and fertile for growing agricultural crops. In the lithosphere, the landforms is very much important. So, main divisions of the earth's surface. Generally, earth's surface divided into mainly 2 forms of main divisions are as follows. Our first part is continent, second part is ocean basin. One of the important points is that all the ocean basins are actually connected to one another. Seawater level remains same and elevation of land is measured from the level of sea, which is measured as 0. Image continent and ocean basin. These are the continent and ocean basins. These are part of the land masses of lithospheric part. Continent. Continents are actually the landmass and the solid surface of the earth. These are separated by the large water bodies. There are 7 major continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Example of lithospheric plate. There are many mountains and landforms which are actually made up of some activity of tectonic plate. They are mainly varied in height, length and weight. These are performed by the process of geosyncline process. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meter above sea level. The greatest depth of 11,022 meter is recorded at the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. First continent is Asia. Location: it lies in the eastern hemisphere. Asia is the largest continent. It covers 1/3 of the total land area. Tropic of Cancer actually passes through it. The Asia is separated from Europe by Ural Mountain, located on the west. One of the most important points is that the combination of landmass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Europe plus Asia. Next, Europe. Europe is the smallest continent. Europe actually located on the western part of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through this continent. It actually bounded water on all the 3 sides of it. Africa. The Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator is 0 degree and actually passes through the middle part of the continent. It is located in the northern hemisphere. Sahara Desert located in the continent, which is a hot desert. This continent actually bounded on all the sides, surrounds with water bodies. Nile River actually flows through this continent. North America. It is the 3rd largest continent. It is linked to the South America continent by the narrow strip of land which is known as Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies in the northern and southern hemisphere. South America. South America lies in the southern hemisphere. The Andes is the world's largest range of mountain. It actually runs through from the north to south. In this continent, the world's largest river, Amazon River, lies on it. Australia. It is the smallest continent. It is located in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded by all the sides by oceans and rivers and seas. It is also known as island continent. Antarctica. It lies in the southern hemisphere. It is a huge continent. Antarctica actually lies in the South Pole, which is at the center of the continent. It is actually located at the South Polar region. It is covered with thick ice sheet. There is no permanent human settlement because there is no suitable conditions for human beings or any living beings living on it. So it is very much uncomfortable to settle in Antarctica. So there are many research stations which are actually presented in Antarctica. India has also many research stations. There are mainly 2, Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. What is isthmus? The isthmus is the narrow strip of land which joins the two land masses. A strait is the narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and ocean. For example, between India and Sri Lanka, Pak Strait is present. What are the important points? Derived from many things. So, mainly important points. Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, India, were the first men to climb the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, on the planet Earth on 29th May 1953. Junko Tabe, Japan, was the first woman to reach the summit on 16th of May 1975. The first Indian woman to climb the highest peak on 23rd of May in 1948 was Bachendri Pal. So thank you. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Let's study. Stay connected to my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Share it among all your friends. You can also join my FB page. Let's study. Thank you and have a good day.